Ever wondered how to change a slate on a roof? Come on, I'll show you. Right, check this out. It is a brand new roof. Looks like it's been done very recently. And for some reason we've got a broken slate just here. So I am going to use my slate rippers to get the nails out. It should be nailed somewhere there and there. I shall use these slate rippers to try and get the nails out. Hopefully we can get this slate out without damaging anything, without smashing up the rest of the roof, and then we can replace it with this new slate. So, wish me luck. Right, at this point you could get a copper tingle and screw it to the lat that you can see there, but this is a brand new roof and I don't want to do that because it will show. So I'm going to blob CT1 there and there, plenty of glue, slide this slate back up and nobody will ever know. There you are. Which one was it? I can't even remember. You would never know that I've been. There you are. I hope you found that useful. If you have, please like, leave your comments. I know a lot of you have got something to say about the lack of a copper strap, but leave it in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more roofing and cherry picker style content. Thanks for watching. See you on the next job.